Hello friends, how you doing? So today I want to talk about food that I would put in my bug out bag. You can call it your MREs, your meals ready to eat. But that's not entirely true because I do have a bag that is all things that would require cooking. Um, so I have two bags. This one's my protein bag. This one is what I'm calling my snack bag, or things that don't require eating. You can snack on the go. All this doesn't require cooking. You could snack on it on the go, but it's all my protein. This is snacks, mostly carbohydrates and stuff. We'll break them open, look at them. And this one would be my high calorie carbohydrates and things that just require a little bit of boiling water. All the stuff that I have is instant with the exception of one thing. But let's get started, and we're going to pull out first this one right here. All right, friends, you might hear my furnace going on in the background, but I guess deal with it if you find this information useful. But anyway, so here's what I got. So first I have 2 cans of Vienna sausages. These are the chicken kind because I don't eat pork. That's just grody, bro. And anyway, see if I can find the calories. See if I can zoom in on this. All right, so you get 120 calories. There's about 2 servings, so 240 calories. Okay, 90 of those calories are from fat, which is pretty significant. But if I am getting out of Dodge because of whatever emergency, see if I can zoom in or focus a little bit more. Then I'll probably need those extra calories to burn, keep me warm, whatever else. It's high. It's not healthy for you, right? But it's food. 7 grams protein per serving, so that would be 14 grams. So I got 2 of those. And so I want to say that was 240. And so then I have, was that 480 calories right here. I resealed them just so if that thing fails, because I don't totally trust it, all that juice would leak in there, right? But if it did fail, then right, I wouldn't eat this. Okay, next. I need to vacuum seal this because I totally don't trust the Ziploc bag. But a little Lunchable Chef Boyardee thing. Let's look at the nutrition on the back. That stuff's important. All right, 200 calories, 1 serving, 60 from fat. But just like a little snack lunch meal. But I would be combining this with other food. Right, this isn't just going to be lunch. Right, I'm going to be having some crackers and some other things to mix with this. The same thing with those Vienna sausages. Okay, so I have some tuna creations. I am not a fan of tuna fish. I'm just not a big fan. But I am making it my mission to develop my tastes in a way that I can handle it, right? So I got 2 of these tuna fish creations. Let's see. One thing about tuna fish, that was out of focus for a little while. So the tuna fish is 16 grams of protein. The chicken, which I can stomach a lot better, it's only 11 grams. And we're looking at 110 calories versus 90 calories here. And if we go up to the other ones, this one is 17 grams of protein, 70 calories, right? The chicken is 80 calories and 11 grams of protein, 9 grams of protein, so on and so forth. So that tuna does have more protein if you are into that kind of thing. And so this would be something that I can eat on the go. It doesn't require heat. And this is something that I wish I had smaller packages of these. But anyway, I could eat this for multiple meals. See if I can zoom in on the nutrition packs. All right. They say that it's like 7 servings. I'm going to say this is like 3 servings at best. But it says 180 calories, right? Multiply that times 7. All right, what is that? 200 times 7 would be 1,400 calories minus 27 times, right? Minus 140 calories. So Anyway, so that's going to be part of my protein. And then I have good old beef jerky, right? This is probably the most expensive in terms of all my protein choices, but 80 calories, and they say there's 3 servings there. 11 grams per of protein. Anyway, so I'm going to bag this up, and then I am going to show you my my snack bag. Be right back. All right, so this right here is I call it my snack bag. So I have my cheese crackers that I can mix with, that ravioli lunchable thing or whatever else. So I got some cheese crackers I can eat on the go. I got lots of peanut butter. Excuse me. One thing I like about these cheese crackers is, if I can zoom in on it, 200 calories. All right, so that's pretty good. Peanut butter is good with all kinds of stuff. I like mixing it in my oatmeal and eating the crackers. It's a good treat for my dog. I do have a Bugout bag for my dog. When my dog just hears the jar opening, already knows. She already knows. All right, so here I have some drink mixes, some little electrolyte, little flavor. It's almost 0 calorie. Have some candies. My selection is kind of crappy right now, because I've been eating too much candy. Not good. But this is good. This is a good first aid too, because somebody has a blood sugar crash. This right here will help you out. So if somebody starts getting hangry, feed them a couple of candies. That'll hold you up for 10 or 15 minutes. Here I have some applesauce containers. I vacuum seal these for the sake of if it breaks. I do not want them to ruin other stuff. So those are kind of double sealed. Here's coffee. I'll put coffee in here because this is instant coffee, and I can mix that in with cold water if I wanted to, if I need the energy boost. Like these, this is what's going to expire first, right? But you should mark the expiration date of your Bugout bag. So I know that right now I have about 4 months until I need to redo my Bugout bag. Not just eat all this stuff, right? But anyway, so these, I forget, I think they're 340 calories a piece. Some brownies, and so it's something I like, my wife likes. Good treat. I got some little yogurt raisins, some cranberries that are dried up in those little Lunchable packs. My wife really likes these, and they've been sitting on the counter for about a week, and they're just disappearing. So I had to hurry up and get motivated to make my emergency bag. So got some, what does this say, granola or fruit and nut bar. My wife likes these. She's eating those just about every day. She's not a big fan of these fruit and grain bars. I like them. I can handle them, but I got these in for me. So all this stuff is my snack on the go stuff and doesn't require any cooking. So next I'm going to show you the stuff that would require a little bit of cooking. All right, so this is my, what I call the cooking bag, things that are going to require cooking. So I have everything. It should be quick to cook stuff. So I have some instant oatmeal. For me, I usually don't eat instant, but I have in the past. So I know that 2 packages of oatmeal will make 1 breakfast for me, right? So I got 3 breakfasts here. So I have here, I vacuum sealed some spices, also with some instant potatoes. And you can see on here, on the instant potatoes that I did put some salt and pepper, some things like that. But I also put how to prepare, right? I need 1.9 cups of hot water, right? So almost 2 cups. I even got the Best By date. I thought I'd put the calories on there, but this is enough for actually me and my wife to have a lot of mashed potatoes, right? So I did seal these up to where if me and my wife are out, we really only have to open one package at a time, and we can split it, and the next day we'll split the other one. Yeah, there's some advantages and disadvantages in that. This is the lifesaver right here. This is instant rice. I love this stuff, and so this recipe I made for my wife last night, a couple nights ago, and she really enjoys it. So it's 340 calories, and I got 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water. My wife had this as a side for 2 meals, and then I had it for a side for 1 meal. So really, like 3, like how much I really want to eat servings in one of these. And it cooks really quick, 5 minutes. I got a recipe. I just throw in some bouillon, a little salt and pepper. Actually, I didn't put salt because the bouillon's got a lot of salt in it. A little pepper, and I think it sprinkled a little cumin in there also. But I have 2 of those, and so if we got us a warm fire, and if not, if we could just like get some hot water, we could just throw it in our thermos, and instant rice will just cook up really quick. Should test that out with cold water. Something to think about. And same thing, the mashed potatoes, and so we can have lots of carbohydrates, and that's good. So, it doesn't have the nutrition facts on there, but I know this will satisfy me until lunch, and I do have snacks for between breakfast and lunch, and from lunch to dinner. All right, so this is just like some onion soup. I added this because I had it, and I was kind of like using what I had. I did buy some other stuff, but this might be good in making a soup with some of the rice or something. I'm not sure. I'm not really too excited about this. I'll probably trade this out and purchase some chicken noodle soup or something like that. But this makes 32 ounces, right? That's a lot of onion soup if you like that kind of thing. That's also real good to use as a seasoning to mix with stuff. So like maybe those Vienna sausages or, yeah. This one right here is one of my least favorites in terms of how long it takes to cook. What does it say? Cooks in 7 minutes. Not too bad. If you got 7 minutes, right? You're not going to be able to eat this on the go, but you sit down, cook, and get a warm belly. You'll be good. So you can see on here, this has 540 calories. These things in college, I remember that I caught them when they were on sale, and they helped me get through some tough times, and like I could eat this as a meal, right? It's not a well-balanced meal, but hey, I did it in the past. I think they have these teriyaki noodles, and they also have some rice ones. I can't remember which one. I think this one is the better one. The teriyaki noodles has a lot more calories, and honestly, my family enjoys them more. So, next time I get to the grocery store, I'm going to buy a few more of these. These things. All right. So this one is like you're sitting down, right? It's Bear Creek Country Kitchen's vegetable beef flavored soup mix. All right. So it says it cooks in 15 minutes. Just add water. All right. So it says it makes 8 servings, a half gallon. Okay. So that's a lot of food. I have a feeling that I probably wouldn't water it down that much, but I'm considering this as like, this is like one hearty meal. We're going to cut up some of that beef summer sausage and put it in there. And so with this and maybe a rice side or maybe some crackers, this would be good for definitely one person. I got this as if it were for one person, but I imagine it would probably do 2 because 8 servings per container, 110 calories. That's 880 calories. That's almost half of the meager 2,000 calorie recommended diet amount. So it does take a little bit longer. So that's not like a meal ready to eat or anything. Actually, all of these are not meals ready to eat except for me being weird. When I was in high school, I used to like eating dry, instant apples and cinnamon, right? But, I'm going over this for a couple of reasons. One, I like sharing with you. I like uploading it to YouTube. And also, I am starting to identify some weaknesses, right? So I'm learning that my snack bag, for example, I need to put more carbohydrates in my snack bag. I want to get some more packs of crackers, get some variety, not only cheese crackers, maybe some peanut butter crackers or um, just regular saltines and put them in there because I'm going to need more ready to go carbohydrates. So I found a weakness, right? So when you're making your emergency bags, your get out in a hurry bags, for whatever reason you would make those things, right? Um, make a video of it, right? Upload it, break it out. Even if you don't upload it, but like you talking about it and going through the process, at least for me, it really helps me to like organize my thoughts, and that's what a lot of this is. And so here's my cooking bag, and I expect in 3 days we can get to where we need to go, whatever that's going to be. So if it's more than 3 days, then I guess we would have to have different things to do. But like I said, this is my emergency bag. Hurry up and grab it, run out the door, and get out of Dodge. Whether or not it's riots that we've recently had in my community, unfortunately, or whether that's uh, house fire, earthquake, tornado, fill in the blank, right? Usually, if you prepare for an emergency, right? If you prepare for one emergency, you usually prepare for multiple emergencies. And so, I'm not trying to be extreme. I'm just trying to look out in the case that something bad happens. So, guys, thank you for watching. If you made it through the 17 minutes of what I'm putting in my bug out bag, my emergency bag, my 72-hour kit. So thank you for watching. What would you add that I didn't add? What weaknesses do you see that I need to encounter? And so this is only food. It doesn't encounter other things that are in my bug out bag. What strengths do you see? So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and remember to prepare for today in a way that you're going to position yourself to be stronger tomorrow, because that's what we're trying to be. We're trying to be stronger. We're trying to build foundation. Love God. Take care of your family. Go help out somebody. Bye.